so it is 6:30 p.m. We're moving tomorrow at 10 a.m.-ish, and we're gonna start packing now. So let's do it. What's awesome is I've already been using these containers for stuff, and for example, this was shorts and pants, and I just put this like accessories tray on top. Same with here, this was shirts under, and then I just layered it on top with, you know, jewelry and accessories. That way we can just take this whole thing up and take it to go. It's move out day. I think we did a pretty good job. Ready to go. Previously, I had both sides, left and right. I've now given that side to Wilson. This side is mine. Let me give you a tour. So today I'm gonna work on beauty, skincare, toiletries. I think the best method is to take out whatever was in the cabinets and drawers, add my new stuff from my apartment, see if I can declutter, and then kind of like have empty space to organize stuff again. Might be a little tedious, but that's like the best way I can think of. Sorting through this mess, this is my method. First, I'm going to categorize everything. Like this is hair stuff, hair products, you know, masks, and I'm gonna categorize the rest. I'm gonna put all the empty containers and boxes there so I can use them to organize. I have a ton of unopened skincare that were just gifts. I'm gonna put these all together in other cabinets so that I can shop my own skincare. Alright, Alright, so I've categorized everything. I'm gonna pick out the things that I need on a daily basis, and then the rest I can put away or discard or donate. So in this mirrored cabinet, I have my favorite stuff. This is what I use on the daily: brushing my teeth, toner, essence, beauty water, my favorite cleansers, deodorant, floss, lip mask. This is Wilson's hair product. Up top, I have some other skincare products that I use pretty often. And I'll put some more below here, whatever fits in the drawer. Down here, I have miscellaneous tools, contacts, just brush cleaners, random things. Here's a box of my face masks. This back area is for hair products. I have cotton pads here for easy reach. And then this tray I gave to Wilson, so these are all Wilson products.